At number 3, we have the Ontel Handy Heater Turbo 800. The Turbo 800 delivers efficient spot heating in a remarkably compact wall-mounted design. This 800-watt ceramic heater can warm spaces up to 100 square feet using advanced ceramic technology and maximum airflow circulation. The unit features a digital LED display with precise temperature control ranging from 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and includes a 12-hour programmable timer for customized operation. Its direct wall plug installation eliminates floor cords while saving valuable space. The heater incorporates essential safety features including auto shutoff protection, stay cool housing, and ETL certification. Operating quietly, it's ideal for bathrooms, small offices, or bedrooms. The built-in thermostat maintains consistent temperature, while the ceramic heating element provides quick warmth distribution. At just 5.7 inches wide and 9 inches tall, this compact unit offers a practical solution for supplemental heating in confined spaces where traditional space heaters would be impractical.